Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Claude AI connectors and how they can seriously level up your productivity. So first, what are Claude AI connectors? Now think of them as bridges that link Claude to the tools you already use, like your files, apps, and work platforms. Once connected, Claude can actually access your data, understand your context, and even platform actions for you. And that means instead of giving generic answers, it can create more accurate and useful plus personalized outputs based on your work. Now, setting up is super simple. Inside your Cloud Chat window, you want to head over to the lower left corner and click on the plus icon, right? This one. Then choose Add Connectors. From there, you'll see a directory of available connectors, and these can include productivity tools, communication apps, development platforms, and even local file access on your desktop. Just pick the one you want, follow the setups, and Cloud will handle everything securely in the background using something called the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. Once your connector is set up, you can immediately start using it. And a quick way to test it is by simply asking Claude if it has access to that tool. And you can also click on the connector to check or adjust permissions anytime. Just turn things on or off depending on what you're comfortable sharing. And here's where it gets really powerful. When connectors are enabled, Claude can decide when to pull data from your connected tools to answer your questions. Or you can directly tell it which source to use. This creates a seamless workflow across everything you use. And it doesn't stop there. You can turn meeting notes to tasks, project updates into summaries, or documents into presentations all automatically. So yeah, Cloud Connectors basically transform Cloud from a simple AI into a full productivity partner that works across your entire workflow. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.